Hey everyone, I'm Terry Nadin and I'm part of the ASP Colour Rebels artistic team. I'm here today with my lovely model Julie and we're going to be doing a baby lights and balayage technique today using the ASP Infinity Bee Brown range, and we can't wait. So I'm just sectioning my model now. I'm just doing a basic hot cross bun 4-section technique. I'm going to do all freehand work through the back and then I'm going to use baby lights through the front. Today I'm going to use the B8 shade because we want to get it nice and light but create a beautiful soft brown. As you can see, I finished doing all my freehand work through the back and I'm now just working my way through my baby lights through the front. Once I've finished applying this colour, I'm going to let it develop for 35 minutes. And then when I come to rinse it, the best thing about this colour is it's not going to need any toning. It's going to give me a beautiful soft brunette. So as you can see, I finished with my beautiful model Julie and she looks amazing. We've gone in today with the Bee Brown Level 8 and 12% developer. It's given us a fantastic shiny brunette result. My top tip with this as well is that you can also use it on scalp. So you can go in with someone with a really dark base like Julie has and it'll give you the most natural, beautiful brunette.